Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to show you how you can speed up your smartphone in just 5 simple steps, or rather I should say 5 simple tricks. So if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing. My name is Arez. Let's get started. The most easiest way to make your smartphone faster is by replacing your smartphone launcher. I know, as odd and obvious as it may seem, but hear me out. Some default launchers really eat all of your RAM and resources, and in that case, it's best to use a custom launcher from Play Store. The one I would recommend is the Nova launcher, the free one, or the launcher. You don't need to get the paid version of Nova launcher. It's the most versatile launcher that I have used, and it works like a charm on even the slowest of phones. Number 4. Clearing storage. Having low storage on your phone can really impact its performance drastically. Phones with lower storage suffer in performing simple tasks because some apps and even the system UI need some storage to function properly. They need some storage to store some temporary files on the device to work like they are intended to do. This is why you should always have at least 25 to 30% of your storage free. Number 3. Uninstalling unused apps. I hate to admit, but sometimes even I install apps because they look cool and I don't really have to do anything with them. Not only it takes space on your smartphone, but some apps also eat your RAM by auto-starting whenever your phone starts. Some apps even use your Wi-Fi without you ever knowing it, and this is why I'm against the idea of having apps that you don't need. So uninstalling these apps will make your smartphone experience a tad bit faster. Number 2. Installing a custom ROM. If your smartphone is old and out of warranty, I recommend giving custom ROMs a shot, as there are so many ROMs to try and who knows what you may find out there. Custom ROMs are deep loaded, meaning there are no system bloatware apps that you don't need. You can have a clean and smooth Android experience by giving it a shot, and in the age of YouTube, not even that hard to find or install one for yourself. But bear in mind, there are certain risks of this action, and I only recommend it if there are no other options left or if you're already open to the idea of it. If all these options fail for you, then the last option is really to go grab a new smartphone or hard reset your previous phone. Hard resetting will take your phone back to its original software condition, and if there is something wrong within your system software, it may get fixed as well. So guys, that was it for the video, and if you made it this far, what's your excuse for not subscribing and hitting that red subscribe button at the bottom? Or maybe check this video out. Maybe.